to my channel. Today we are going to play and learn things. We are learn blocks. How many types of blocks? There are 14 types of blocks like camel blocks, castle blocks, chasm blocks, metal blocks, missile blocks, camel's blocks, knife blocks, chasm blocks, castle blocks, open blocks, canvas blocks, and tram blocks. Last is matrix box. It has many things adding. It has 7 parts. First is many eyes added, many clay added, many leaf added, many things added because its name is chemistry. This is glue of blocks. This is fire. We stick like this, stick and clap and stick. This is not open and this is camel. Let's make this. We are make a house. I will stick it. A camel is enter his house. A camel is enter his house and the gate is locked. It is morning, the camel out his house and gate is locked. He is on the stair. Go to the roof. He is looking today and going down. This is my block. This is my block house. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.